to grab them by their elbows, and they're going to grab you by their elbows. Try to reach my elbows. Good. Straighten your arms, push your shoulders down. Little by little, you're going to walk them back. Straighten your arms, push your shoulders down. He's very flexible, so don't necessarily pay attention to how high he goes. Tell your partner to stop if you need to stop.